Hey lovelies. Okay, I know my hair look like a hot mess, but not to worry, it's wash day. I will be using MAUI moisture hair care line. So we have the shampoo, we have the conditioner, and we'll also be styling it. So maybe I'll do like a wash and go or a twist or braid. I'm not sure as yet, but stay with me and let's go through this review. What I'm going to be doing first is to fully saturate my hair with water. Sometimes I like to section my hair in two and let the water do its magic. So this is the shampoo that we will be using, and as I mentioned in the previous video before, it says that it is infused with pure coconut water, and it also have a unique blend of aloe vera. It smells really good. Alright, so this is actually too much, but you see it's very gooey like. I like this about shampoo, it's very thick. And I'm just going to emulsify the shampoo in my hand. And then I start from the root and work my way to the ends. Wow. Immediate lather. This is amazing. This is what I love about shampoo. Alright, so I'm gonna do the next side, and mind you, I had like a lot of products in my hair this week, so for this to actually set up so well, it's amazing. And I can tell you that my hair is actually feeling very soft right now. I'm not even exaggerating right now, my hair is feeling really soft. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my scalp brush because of the product buildup I get, but this also helps to remove product buildup. It also massages your scalp, which helps with blood circulation, and it's very relaxing to feel this on your scalp. So if you don't have one of these, definitely recommend you to get one. And I will also link a scalp brush in my description below, which is on my Amazon storefront. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out and actually shampoo again. Hey! So we're gonna shampoo again. I can definitely tell you though, this shampoo is very, very moisturizing. I think this is a shampoo I can add to my favorite list. I really love this. See, we don't need a lot of shampoo for the second wash. Okay, and now for the length. So I like to actually stretch my hair. It's very important too, because you don't want to be washing your hair like this and everything clumps up. Then you have a bigger knot and then you have to actually detangle again. So it's easier if you try to run your fingers through the length, like your finger detangling, and it's actually washing your hair too. See? So when you are like to condition your hair afterwards, and you use a detangling brush, though the detangling brush will make detangling easier, but I mean, you may not have a lot of tangles or not to brush out. I can actually feel the minty effectiveness of the peppermint on my scalp. It feels really, really cool. I'm going to finish up and then wash my hair out, and then it's going to be time to condition. Time to condition my hair, and this also have a blend of aloe vera, and it's also infused with coconut water and peppermint oil. I like to section my hair in 4. I work better in 4 depending on the length of your hair or how thick your hair is, but this is very thick. and I love a thick conditioner. Okay, so it says I should stay in your hair for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing out. And this smells amazing too. Wow, my hair is really soft, softer than when I was actually using the shampoo. So basically this just melted right into my hair. I'm gonna use my Tangle Teaser brush to detangle my hair. So I'm gonna start from the end. Don't seem this stuff. Okay, and then I'm just going to work my way up to the root. This gives a lot of slip. Okay, so it has been a little over 5 minutes, but look on these twists though. Look on those twists. And my hair is so soft. So this conditioner, it's a bit lightweight. You know how sometimes when you use some conditioner, your hair is so heavy and dragged down? This is total opposite. So we're just going to pull these twists out. So now it's time for the Maui Moisture Hairstyling. This is the leave-in conditioning mist, and it says that it has shea butter. And this smells really good. So I'm just going to use my hands and ensure that the product gets distributed throughout my strands. And I'm just going to do a jumbo twist in the meantime. It smells really good. I don't know though, my ends still at the moment, but at first my ends weren't feeling this dry, but now it's actually feeling a bit dry. I'm not sure. Let me spray a little bit more. And then I'm just going to do the other section. These are actually wash and go products. This is the curl oil gel, and this is the elongated frizz-free gel. It doesn't say that I can actually use both of them at the same time, but knowing me, I want to test maybe a little section out using both. But I think I'm going to start off with the curl oil gel. So for like wash and go, it's always good to section your hair into smaller parts, and also on wet hair. So that's why I'm actually still in the shower. I'm not gonna use too much, I think. I think maybe this is enough for this small section. Okay. This actually is very silky. Wow. Okay, let me not get too excited yet. Okay, I'm not on that. Because I don't think it will flake, but it's always good to test products out on small sections of your hair. It's actually giving more definition though with the two. Should I even go ahead and do it? You know, I think I am. It took about 30 minutes to actually get this done, so now I'm going to use the diffuser, diffuse my hair, get it dried, and then I will be back. Alright, so this is the end result. It took about 40 minutes to actually dry my hair, and to be honest with you, some parts are still a little wet, but I can't help it. So let's check out the curls. So there are curls, and I must say there are a little frizz here and there, but I'm still getting the whole curl definition vibes, you know. The ends are completely dry, but they're still moisturized, so that is good. It doesn't actually leave any residue, no flakes, none of that. Will I try this again? I guess so. And kid you not, this is like less than half that's left. So I don't even know if that's going to do my hair for another one. My hair takes a lot of product, so not even wondering, did I even use too much product in my hair? Maybe. So I don't know, maybe it's just my hair type, but I'm actually loving my results. This is something that I can actually go on the road, you know, maybe on a date, something, and you know, you have the option to even dress up here, wash and go if you want. You can style it in any way. I don't like hair in my face, so most times I would actually grab some of these little grabbers. I got them on Shein to get the hair out of my face. But let me know your thoughts on the Maui line, and thank you again guys for tuning in, for staying with me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Thank you again for watching. Until next time.